Do you want some? Come on, have a drink. Have a drink. Come on. There you go. Jack! Right guys, so welcome to another video. Today it's going to be a brake kind of day. We've got some brakes on this Astra, which has been in already before. You come for an oil change. Jack's struggling with life. We're all going to be doing the brake caliper on his car as well. We may put him under the pressure test as well again. See if he can beat his old time. Yeah, on your car.
Brake.
When did you get here?
I've been lifting.
But yeah, the 350's been outside today. It's just sat there a little bit just to make sure the battery don't go dead, because yeah, well, it's in pieces as you can see still. But what we are going to do is we may pick some of that up later on, but we'll see how this video goes. Don't grab my nipple. Connor's in one of their moods where he just wants to irritate everybody. Look at him, look, acting all odd on his little fish game. I'm trying to grab my boot.
What, straight into Mr. car?
Bit late asking him that.
Connor, what are you doing?
Disposing of all our waste in an environmentally friendly manner.
That's actually going for it.
I know. You didn't do that well earlier.
I'm sure there is a van down there though.
No, it's moved.
It's through doors now.
Look at it. It's going. Oh, game over. Stop trying to eat the copper grease, Jack. Jack, I keep seeing the devil in you popping out. Oh god!
Did it go up?
It comes up every time. Oh no, it didn't then. Wait, stay still. I can make it come out of you.
No. No.
No, it's not.
Oh, that's it.
What are you doing?
Greasing my pad. What's funny about that?
Right, without me telling anybody anything, what has Jack just done?
I won't go that far.
So for the guy that says embrace it, I can't embrace this.
Does he want to embrace it?
Yeah, you can embrace it. Look,
Come and embrace it.
I'll bring it closer. This side is now done on the front. So what Jack's going to do is he's going to crack on with this side. You don't need to see two. So what we're going to do after that is I'm going to show you one of the backs being done. Wow. Yeah. This bitch. He's kicking boxes at me. So we've now moved. Don't throw the disc at me. So we've now moved outside. Connor is just sat in the 350, looking like he owns it. When Connor, you're never gonna have one, mate. It's not gonna happen, pal. Come on. It's gonna smash this front end out now, not literally, but it's
steady.
It's good. And then he's gonna crack on with the back. Jack! I'm not embracing it. I'm not embracing it. Brakes are now done on the Astra. Jack's chilling in the car. Have you even moved?
Yeah.
It was there in the last clip as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to work on Jack's car now. We've got to change his disc, his caliper. So again, like we said, it's a brakes kind of day today. It's brakes all around. Do you remember when we first got this place? Yeah. And there was so much room for activities. It's like flashbacks all over again. Jack, do you know what you remind me of there? What? Fast and Furious. When he's holding roof. Hold the wheel, Mia. Jack, get down.
Oh shit.
He's gonna roll, he's gonna roll, he's gonna roll. Oh, he's off. Hey! Jack's caliper time! So the reason we're changing Jack's caliper and his discs and that on the back is it's just recently seized up. So this is obviously a priority because, as you know, brakes are important. We've also both got our MOTs this month, haven't we, Jack?
Yeah.
So we're just making sure as well that all the cars are found. We may do a quick video on things to like that you can check yourself for your MOT. So if you guys want to see that, drop a message down below in the comment section and let us know about that. So in the last video, you guys found that little Easter egg. You was right, it was a little cap on Jack's hat, which we thought was a little funny. But again, there may be another Easter egg in this video, so you need to comment down below if you think there's an Easter egg. Make sure you timestamp it as well, because we are going to be doing these quite often, so make sure you're paying attention. We was going to give Jack a little challenge in this video, but with it being the rear caliper and everything else, you've got to mess about with the handbrake cable and all that sort of stuff, so it wouldn't really be a fair test. So we're going to actually see if he can beat his record some other time on obviously some front ones. See if he can beat that 6 minutes 20 seconds like he did last time, because he's an absolute beast. Just no reaction from Jack whatsoever. Does it feel weird working on your own car, Jack?
Yeah, feels good.
It feels strange, doesn't it? We're always so busy doing other people's cars at minute. Like, it's nice when we actually get a chance to just work on our own. Although Jack's getting a bit frustrated. Oh, his own car's testing his patience. Trying to explain?
I'm not fucking explaining. I'm not fucking showing.
Hey?
What car is this?
This is a Renault. No, it's a Corsa VXR.
It's a Vauxhall. The fuck does that say?
It'll always be a Renault, Jack. It'll always... Basically, they've sent the wrong parts. So we get the parts delivered to us, and they've literally sent the wrong caliper. Everything else is perfectly fine, except the caliper. So we've got a Renault caliper we can't do anything with. So guess what? What we're going to do there, Jack?
Set fire to a car.
No. No, we're going to wait till Sunday. So we're going to have to wait till tomorrow to switch it, but we ain't got time to do it tomorrow to fit it on. So we are literally going to have to wait till Sunday to do it. So unfortunately, wait, let's spin you all around. Here we are. Can you even see me?
Yeah.
I'm recording blind, so I ain't got a clue.
You're in there.
I'm in there.
You're in there.
Yeah. So basically, we're going to have to not fit his brake caliper and disc and everything else. Because that company didn't supply the right caliper. This is not Vauxhall. This is not what we need. Jack's putting bits back together now, since we can't actually replace that caliper. And before anybody starts, he does have a coffee. He's just not drinking it yet. So this is what we do when we're under stress. We drink coffee. Do you want some? Come on, have a drink. Have a drink. Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh, I think we're losing it. Jack, this coffee's so nice. La, 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 la. I'm good at singing. I'm really not, actually, so don't quote me on that. So just want to take this opportunity to say thank you to you guys for watching the videos. Thank you guys for supporting. And thank you for providing biscuits for Jack. No, honestly, sincerely appreciate you guys supporting. 10k subscribers is coming up.
No.
So for 10k subscribers, we're going to do something a little different. We're not going to do a little montage or anything like that. We are actually going to do something completely unrelated to cars. Now, you might think, why? Because we want to show you out of our original element, which is cars and such like that. So me, Jack, and Simon, you are officially invited. What's his last name?
Wicks.
Simon Wicks, you are officially invited to the 10k subscriber special. If you back out, we're going to lock you in the boot and leave you there. So what we're going to do for that is we are going to go to a known haunted location at about 2-3 o'clock in the morning.
Fuck you.
We are, and we are going to basically record our time there and our reactions. So again, it's going to be something completely different, uncar related, but you're going to see us out of our element again, which I think will be fantastic. I'm going to scream. He's definitely going to scream. Simon's going to cry.
I'm going to have to go to nap.
But yeah, it should be good as well. There may be a few other people coming on along as well, like Connor. I think he wants to come, although he was actually scared. If you didn't see that video where I scared him, yeah, he got very scared anyway when he walked through that door. So we've fixed this car to the point where it's not drivable. But not on the road, no, but we've made it so the brake fluid will not sleep out, so we can just drive it in and out, but he's not taking it home. I'm going to drop him off because obviously we've had an issue with the caliper. So that is going to get fixed. We're going to have to pick that up very, very soon. So yeah, appreciate that, guys. Thank you very much. And Jack is still eating biscuits because he's the biscuit boy.
Depressing times.
We'll fix this car. We'll fix it. Bye-bye for now, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Hang on. Wait a minute. They want a biscuit with their coffee. Come on. Give them a biscuit. There you go. Bye.
No, mine. Not really, there you go.
You've ate it!